Hello. Yeah, hi sir. I'm calling from DoorDash.
Thank you very much. Have a good night. You too.
I'm at the lobby. Oh. Oh. Okay, sir. No problem. No problem. Thank you.
Delivery?
Yeah, they're coming up.
Oh, they're coming down.
Yeah. I think they went downstairs. So I came up. They are like.
Oh, okay, okay. Normally, if you have another delivery here, you can leave it there on the cart.
Yeah, but the thing is, I have to get a pin from them. So
Oh, I see. No problem.
it's a pin delivery afterwards. So.
Sure, yeah.
Hi, Mr. Lira.
Yeah.
Here's your drink. Food.
Thank you.
What's the pin?
6046.
6046.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good night.